Holy moly, it's cold. I mean, it's cold outside, but also my freaking heat doesn't work in here sometimes. So we don't want to look sideways. Why does that look sideways? No. We need better angles. We need those. That's still sideways. Maybe if I rub my hands long enough, I'll cause enough friction to get burnt. That didn't work. Alright, I'm actually gonna freaking leave because it's cold and I'm not getting any warmer. So why does it bug me that looks so sideways? It does. Son of a... No, I don't want that. I don't want it to look sideways. Is that better? That's better, but now it's halfway off the freaking... Oh, no. No, please don't cause me all this trouble this morning. Please. It's just gonna have to... It's just gonna have to look like this. Oh, these are frozen. Oh, this has got... Oh, that's not good. They're not frozen. They're extremely cold, though. No, Mike, get up the hill. The freaking... that hill, dude, is so much. That hill be doing too much. It be doing way too much. I really need to look into getting something for my camera. Like to just hold it right there. I know you don't have to tell me. Some people are probably like, Cody, why aren't you posting as much as you should be? Cody, what happened to last week's video? Cody, that's not a video. That's just a few little tiny clips put together. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear a freaking deacon word. Truth is, I'm just freaking lazy. My hair's sticking out back there. Okay, it's like a little curl. You can kind of see it. A little curly curl. Anyways. Yep, we're heading to the gym. We got a leg day today. You know what that means? Our glutes. I'll take it back. I don't know what leg day it is. I know it's a leg day, but I can also tell you my last leg day, dude, my freaking glutes were killing me. And it's not a specific glute day. All my exercises, well, I guess there are days. There is one day where I have hip thrust and some other leg movement, like hamstring movements. I think it might have been hamstrings. But man, my butt was hurting. Felt like somebody came back there and smacked it. But anyways, yeah, it was freaking, I was sore. Also, I've been having some problems on my left leg, like right around my ankle. And it's not my ankle, it's on the inside of my, like, it's where my ankle's at, but like right above it. And like on the inside of my leg. So whatever that is, that hurts. That's been hurting. I've not jogged my mile in like two days because I don't know what to do other than to like not do it, to like give it some rest. So I'm gonna jog today, so I hope that's not gonna be an extreme problem. I really hope that I will be able to, because my leg days don't have that many exercises on it in general. Let me just go figure out what leg day it is. I don't know why I haven't done that. I feel like there's not enough like light coming through. Coming through the lights. Turn up the light. don't even know what I said. Did that just move? Freaking bother me, camera, bro. I'm gonna take a picture of this piece of trash. No one knows what my phone's sitting on. I've had that for months, man, months. It's just a little piece of trash. And it's still here with us. And honestly, I might make my own. I might get a cardboard box and just cut out like a little like. It's kind of, so the box is kind of like flattened on one end and the other end's not, but it's wedged up just enough to like kind of prop the camera from being like, if the camera was just sitting up there, it would be way too flat. I've realized I could actually talk to a certain point. I could talk the whole way from when I leave the house to the gym, and just that be my intro video. Because I'll just start yapping away. I about said yamming away. And then those last few minutes, like, or last minute, I don't have anything to talk about, so. All right, well, that's all. I'll see you guys in the gym. All right. It's absolutely, it's not really that crowded in here. I'm gonna have to freaking, oh, dang it, dude. Look, this is the bad part. I gotta re-angle this every freaking few seconds. All right, I'm doing hack squat. I have upped the weight since the last time that I've videoed this. So I used to start with 1 plate, go to 2 plate, stay at 2 plate, then go to 3 plate for 1, and then back down. But now I'm starting at 2 plates on each side for 2 sets of 10, and then I'm gonna do a 3rd plate for another set of 10, I think, and then go all the way back down to 1 plate for 15. So it's pretty freaking strenuous. This kind of hurts. It's supposed to hurt. It's supposed to be painful. Oh, that was surprisingly hot. Also, I stink. I smell so bad right now. I think I forgot to put on deodorant, but I guess I'm just gonna have to avoid being around people for about, I don't know, the remainder of my workout exercises. I'm trying to be considerate of my camera usage, battery usage. Also, I guess, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I've started growing out my beard. I'm doing it more for a social experiment. Social and mental. Yeah. I'm a big fan of the mustache. But maybe you guys switch it up sometimes. I might grow my beard out for a while and then just go no facial hair at all. I don't know. Who knows? I just realized I don't think this shirt was washed good. Because yes, I sweat all the time, but this shirt really stinks. Dang, I really wish I could like do this, but that's really annoying. I guess I'll take a seat. Shoot, bro.
I've switched up this exercise, this adductor. Now I don't do as much as I used to. I do 130 for 2 sets of 15, and they're a little bit more controlled. And then my last set is a drop set for 110 for 10. So, and this time I'm trying to like really focus on the lift. I take it back. I'm about to drop it again. I sweat so much in this, now I'm freezing cold. I did 5 more reps than I was supposed to, because I didn't want to be a bitch. All right, just some honorable mentions. I did not record glute kickbacks, and then I didn't record my hip abductors because there was too much going on. So I'm lazy. Anyways, right now. Oh, and I didn't record. Okay, I recorded my hip abductors. I didn't record glute kickbacks or leg curls. I did do those, but now I'm ending it with standing leg curls and then goblet squats. I don't really go that heavy on goblet squats. It's already because my legs are already in so much pain. All right, so I didn't have this in any of my other videos, but I worked out with a friend the other day and we did legs, and he told me his split for standing leg curls. So we're gonna do 25 pounds for 12, 50 pounds for 12, 75 pounds for 8, and then drop back down to 50 pounds and try to do it for 10. That was my latest one, my last recorded exercise on this, and it freaking hurts. Also, I don't think I'm gonna superset this. Sometimes I superset my glute kickbacks with the goblet squats, but I'd rather not. I'd rather just knock this exercise out and then do the goblet squat separately. So yeah. Oh God, okay, super light to begin with, so. And here's how bad my freaking memory is. Doing it for 12, okay. And since it's light, I can do it slower and more controlled. Shoot. Okay, it may be slow and controlled, but it still freaking hurts. Damn. We're not even hitting our upper body today. It looks pretty, look at that freaking gap in my back from my muscles. What a big boy. Just joking. I'm having freaking call me a fat boy at the end of this. I got really fat. Not well, I just gained a bunch of. So I gained muscle too on my bulk. I had to have. I upped my carbs like crazy. Good carbs too. Like I was eating 2 cups of rice and then a side of sweet potatoes, not all in one meal, all spread out throughout my days. And then I was eating oatmeal, so my carb load, bro, was ridiculous. I'm gonna be honest, I might have screwed my metabolism up a little bit in doing so, because now sweets, somewhere along that bulk, sweets have just become so difficult for me. I'm talking like I really have caused a problem for myself, and I don't know how to reset it. So it's very difficult, like extreme. I'm not lying. It's extremely difficult right now. More difficult than I've ever had it. Had a craving for sweets. I've had times in the year where I've done no sweets at all, just cold turkeyed it for weeks. And now it's a struggle just to do that for like a day. So something's wrong. Something's wrong. Alright, this is gonna be bad. My legs are already feeling like they're about to cramp. I gotta do 75 pounds on each side for 8. So let's hope we can get this. I think that last one's gonna be, that's actually pretty easy. I think I was swinging a little bit, but it'll be alright. At least we got it up. Sometimes we can't get it up. I'm just kidding. Settle down. Okay, that's gonna be bad. I'm probably gonna be able to sit on the toilet for like a solid week. I need this just a little bit lower. No, not that freaking low. Oof. These leg days are. Yeah. It's alright. I mean, we're starting to, I can't really tell because it looks like I'm still fat, which I kind of am still, but we're cutting. I've stood here for about I've stood on this spot for about 15 minutes now, just killing time. I don't know why. There goes the fire truck. I wish that was me. Anyways. Alright. Crap. Alright, well. So let me do it like this. Or do this. Oh, there's 2 of me. That sucks. Alright. We'll do it like this. Alright. I need to do a better outro. This is me practicing my outros. Hey guys, click this video right here. That's all. This feels dumb, but all of it feels dumb when you're talking to the camera like this. What's up, guys? What do I do? Why is this so weird? Why is this weird? Yeah, I feel like it's because it's prompt. Like I'm trying to do it right. All the other stuff, when I push the record button to start my videos, it's not like, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video today. It's literally just like something dumb. It's not like it's just sporadic, like off the moment. Obviously, because if you've heard some of the things I say right when I start the video, you'll be like, what is wrong with this dude? Let's watch this video. I don't know. Anyways, thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you click like. Oh God, what an idiot. What a freaking idiot. Okay, let's try this again. I'm not even gonna cut this up. I'm just gonna leave it in here. You guys are just gonna watch me struggle. Hey, that's actually a good idea. That's pretty funny. At least it's funny to me. Anyways, make sure you click the like button on this video, specifically this one. Subscribe to my channel. Because you know what? It's crazy that one of my ice bath videos has 600 views and none of those people subscribed. Anyways, subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the video. God bless. Subscribe to my channel to watch me fumble the bag every freaking week. And I'm gonna drop a video right here. All you gotta do is click it. Like just click it. I about did a mouse, but if you're watching this on your phone, you just tap it. Don't click it, tap it. Actually, I don't know if that's how that works either. Son of a gun. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching the video today. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please support my channel. God, what an idiot.